guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw these 3D letters. So today I'll only be showing the straight line ones. I'll probably be making another one for the curved ones. So the first one is A, then H, then I, M, T and V, as they are some of the most commonly used letters. So let's get on to the video. So we'll be making the capital letter first. So in the case of an A, you can use a scale if you're not good at making lines and everything, but I prefer going freehand. So after you've made the letter, we'll be making its shadow. So in the case of an A, we'll be drawing a line over here, a slanting line, then a straight line. So it is like a shadow of this particular segment. So we'll be doing the same for the upper part, and then its top, like this, then a line, then one more like this, and then a straight line going down. So the body is complete. Now all we have to do is shade this, this, this and this. So now your first letter is complete. So the second letter is the letter H. So as we did in the letter A, we'll be making the body of the letter H, a capital H. So after this is done, we'll be making its shadow. So we'll start from the top. We'll make one slanting line from this point, one slanting line of the same length from this point, and join these two. And then we'll be connecting this from here till here. The same way till here. Now from here till here. So we'll be doing the same thing for the left hand side. So after this, we have to shade this part, this, this and this. So now our letter H is complete. So the third letter is the letter I. First, we'll be making the body of the capital letter I. After that, we'll be drawing its shadow. So one diagonal line parallel to this, and we'll join these two. Then from this point to this point, we'll be drawing a line. Then the same way for the other side, just till here, and then a diagonal line. Then it will be going up, so from here till here. And then on the top, so we'll be making one diagonal line, then another parallel to this, and we'll be joining these two, and then one from here till here, and joining these 2 points. So now we just have to shade them. So now your letter I is complete. So most of the letters with straight lines go in the same way, but for some of you the letter M might be tricky, so I'll be showing you how to make the letter M. We'll start by making the body of the capital letter M. After this is done, we'll be making a diagonal line over here and join this point from this point. Then one diagonal line from here and one parallel to it, and join these two, and one over here and join these two. The same way we'll be making one from here and one from here. So, and we'll have to join these two. And then we have to make one diagonal line parallel to this one and join these two. So now all you have to do is shade them. So after it's done, it should look something like this. So let's move on to the fifth letter, which is the letter T. So let's make its capital body first. Then we'll be making one diagonal line here and connect this to this. Then two diagonal parallel lines over here and connect them, and one diagonal line over here parallel to this one, and then join them. So then shade. So the letter T is done. So let's begin the last letter, which is the letter V. So now it's done. We'll have to make two parallel lines over here and join them. One line parallel to this one over here and then join them. The same for the right hand side. And then we have to connect this point to this point. All we have to do is shade. So now our letter V is complete. Thank you all for Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw these 3D letters. So today I'll only be showing the straight line ones. I'll probably be making another one for the curved ones. So the first one is A, then H, then I, M, T and V, as they are some of the most commonly used letters. So let's get on to the video.